Hi, I'm Jim Powell from U.S. Energy Recovery, and I'm here today to share 3 takeaways from a question that I'm asked often. And it's simply, are utility rebates changing for my lighting project? So the short answer to the question is yes. LED rebates through the utilities are altering right now. But it's a far more complex question. There are over 3,000 utility concerns in the United States, and each of them have unique programs tailored to their residential and their commercial bases. So it's very, very important that we understand each of those programs as we provide those answers back to you. The next takeaway, and it's really related to the first, is, well, why would utility rebates change? LED lighting, energy savings initiatives are all very good for the environment. They're just good for the health of our corporate America. What we have to understand is most utility rebates were in place initially as a subsidy to high-cost lighting products because they were encouraging organizations, industrial concerns to make these alterations at a time that pricing was much higher. So as the subsidies are no longer necessary, so are some of the very things that we're seeing now that are changing. And we're seeing a number of markets across the United States where utility rebates for LED lighting upgrades are no longer available. But we're also seeing markets where they have stayed the same or are improving. It's a very, very complex question. So my last takeaway is maybe the most important. How do we know? How do you make sure that your company is realizing the greatest advantage through the greatest rebate program? That's why you look at a company like U.S. Energy Recovery. We're able to communicate with these 3,000 utility concerns. We're able to find out how the program works, how to maximize that program, and how to make sure that your lighting upgrade is tailored to the program that's in your area. U.S. Energy Recovery keeps our incentive specialists in-house. So we don't bring that to the outside. All of our data is driven from software that we use in-house. And we bring that information back to you in a very reliable way and in a way that you can count on. And I might add also that U.S. Energy Recovery is so confident in those numbers that when you accept our proposal and move forward, we will take that amount that we have projected as payment towards the overall project. So that is just another way that you want to make sure you're working with a professional lighting company. Those are my 3 takeaways on the idea of utility rebates and how they are changing. I'm Jim Powell with U.S. Energy Recovery. If you have any other questions related to this, please be in touch with U.S. Energy directly or visit us on the web at usenergyrecovery.com. Thank you.